My home-built crawler tractor. I'm using a Cub Cadet transaxle and with individual brakes pirated from an old Volvo. For the front idlers, I'm using automobile wheels with crowns created to hold the tracks in place. The electrics for the ripper. Well, I better not put that down, Ryan. It will go right on your foot. Anyway, for the bucket is an electronic actuator that actually has power to lift the entire machine, as you can see. It'll lift it right off the ground, so we have good capabilities to scrape. The engine is a 420 cc Chinese copy of a Honda. Electric start. I added an alternator to cover the electric capabilities of the machine. Instrument panel, it's a switch to start the alternator, a key start, choke, and so forth. And
Want to run the ripper really quick?
Roll bar and a ripper, and if you want to use the hitch, you just raise the ripper all the way up. The hitch is also removable. Roll bar and a seat belt, and we even added headlights as long as we could. Well, that's about the